What's up, dudes? Welcome back. Yeah, just in case the last video was kind of weird and stuff, but we did give you an introduction to this car. We have, believe it or not, we have a 67 Chevy 2 drag car now. Now this is going to be a team project. The car is owned by 3 of us, myself, Brent, and JM. He's not here tonight. Here she is. So we're gonna start looking at it, see what it is, see what's in there. We don't know what kind of rear end is on it. We don't really know much about it. So we're just gonna dig in.
We got it looking cleaner than it was when it got here, and that was the priority.
Get that light.
Oh, I could slow down too, you know.
Make it run.
You just have to tell me to stop and want to film. Remember, I can edit it, so go for it. Ah, well, wait, hey. Halfway.
It's recording, so just do it for the vlog.
Hopefully you can edit your vlog to make it seem like this jack will pump it up in 2.
Yeah, just fast forward it and make it. What are we looking at? Holy moly.
A lot of rust and
yeah,
who knows if those shocks are.
Big fat slick. That's how I know you're such a you know how I know you're a badass? Because you're using my chrome sockets on the impact. What the fuck, dude? There's a whole set of impacts in there.
Let's go look at the drawer camera. Let's go see.
Yeah, okay. Where's that?
Where's your 21 millimeter?
I don't know. Wait. I know it's in here somewhere. Oh, that's a pizza box. Oh, well, whatever. Use the fucking chrome one. It worked. Can you carry all that tire? Hey?
Yeah, I mean, hold it up. A little higher. Alright, we got our first problem. Cut. Yeah, it's pretty much got to go up probably.
Go up? What's got to go up?
The car, because we got to get it down and then try to.
Yeah, well, it's almost maxed out. Can we twist the wheel a bit? Fuck it, put it back on, let's go racing. Look at us, we're so badass with this awesome drag car. We can't even take off the fucking tire. Let's go, genius. Mr. Figure everything out. Well, yeah, a little screwdriver first.
Once you find the trick once, it's easier to go on 2 than that.
3.5 hours later. Okay, you ready? It should work now.
Yeah, even if you people. Well, why would you do that? Why would you?
Okay, that's about. She's right down now. Okay, I'll put that.
Holy fuck. You don't want to get a flat on the side of the road.
Show up for the first thing. Lady alternator on the alternator and that thing was 4 hours.
No way!
Yeah, and then there's only one direction that it comes out. And it's like now that I got it out, putting it back in, it's like I know the direction, I know where to turn.
Oh, you did this outside?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, because your arm car.
Yeah. So, why don't you just come down here and go on
Is the car dying on the way home?
But, you know, it's a job, but a 4-hour job, but it's like minus 10.
No, guys, there's two. That's the way Ford does it. And then other guys, if you don't want to take the axle off, take the intake off, come up through, like, take the intake off the car. Oh. Hi. It's not even. Yeah, it'll come.
That's fucked up. We gotta find a different way for that.
No, it's still not clear. The drum. This jack's. Oh, okay, it's not on now.
Yeah, it's pivoting then because that's that high on this side. Like it's not touching the jack on this side.
Did you try taking the air out of the tire?
Yeah,
It's already out.
there's maybe a little bit more in there, but yeah, that was plan A.
Fucking ain't going to no car shows with you, buddy.
There's a bumper, cut it here.
I'm
Cut
too
it
old.
here.
I'm too old to fucking get into a fist fight.
What the fuck is that for?
Oh well, have fun, guys.
Need lights in there? Oh, did you get it? We did it though.
No, we didn't. It's
Yeah.
still stuck.
No, it's
Fuck you, it's stuck.
it's not stuck. Watch.
Tire.
And it looks bigger off.
It's so huge. That's true. That's fucking big tire. That was retardedly hard to get that wheel off the car. So we gotta figure out a trick for that. What do you think? We just run small tire?
Yeah, small tire probably do that. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, let's put this one in it. Da, 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 da.
It'll be better in the snow though with the trash, but
They had a bit of tread in them. Yeah. Yeah, they don't look terrible.
well, they actually look with all the cracks in the snow.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. That probably wouldn't pass safety.
Anyway, Parker has a new bed.
Oh, it was like the coolest part of the whole car and we just took it off. We taking this one off too, or we just looking?
Oh, yeah, like all here. Around
Look at this thing, boys and girls.
brakes.
It's crazy. Shocks. Those shocks are ugly.
Real gas.
So, Mr. Drag Race guy, that's a GM 12 bolt, is that it? Or is that a...
I think so.
Looks like it. Oh, you Drag Race guys watching this? That's a 12 bolt, right? What is that? What are we looking at here?
12 volts. It's a GM 12 volt cut. With.
And you know what? Like that tire, I said we measured it was further in. Look at even like everything. Like you can tell. Well, maybe it's because all the shit's off, but I mean like that side of the drum looks way closer to the shock than this side.
I wonder if it's centered on the car, like the body and the
Yeah.
frame. Is the frame off centered on the car?
How am I supposed to know that?
Like from here to here.
There and there. I don't know. Who knows? It's gonna be an adventure. Da, da, da. That's for Jean-Marc.
Yeah. Yeah, because he hates secret eliminators for some reason.
Hates them?
Hates them.
It's a good thing, no? Now we gotta put those shocks back in. I think I screwed one of the bolts up.
Yeah.
It was like
Well, they're probably
mega
pretty
hard.
rusted.
Yeah. But that bracket's bent too, I think. On the passenger side. It don't look healthy. Like I wonder if it's dialed, if it's like
It's gotta be. Like if
Must
you
be.
raced it.
is it set up that when it goes down the track it doesn't fucking bounce and shit or so it's pretty needless to say that this thing's gonna need a lot of work, a lot of love and care, but I mean that's what we do, especially now it's the winter months, we got time to do this, and this thing just kinda came out of the heavens, came out of thin air. Yesterday we filmed, and that was the last video you saw. It was kind of the introduction to this car, and we didn't really say too much because even today we're still kind of at a loss for a word. This is going to be a very cool project for us to take on, and shit, yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. It's yeah, anything to add?
I have nothing to add. I gotta rehearse.
It's just awesome. It's like dream come true kind of. Now we do it. Now this is like next level car. This is serious. This is pretty wild. So between having this car on the track and that crazy 240 that's being built for me on the track, we're gonna have a wild summer. Stay tuned for that. Did you have anything to add?
Yeah, don't film me.
Yeah, you wanna tell these fine people what you're doing? Like talk loud so they can hear you.
I am looking for the casting code on the rear end.
Well, you don't have to be a dick about it.
And that's gonna tell you what.
That's gonna tell me what I'm looking at, because you ask me questions like, "What is this, Brent? 12 bolt?" and expect me to know exactly what year car it's out of, what it's.
Well, yeah, you're the drag race guy. You
I
ask me anything about RX-7 240. I got you.
Why did?
No, I was just kidding.
See what this thing's out of.
You're just searching it right there underneath.
Hold on, I'll take a picture.
Why not?
Look at the picture.
What's the picture? Is it work safe?
Looks good. I like the look of that N.
Yeah. N stands for nothing but racing. Right. Look at that tire. It's almost up to my waist.
Well, it would seem it's out of a 67 Chevelle.
So it was just shortened and
Yeah.
crammed in there. And
Yeah, because I don't know what rear end came stock in these cars, but I can't imagine it was a. Well, maybe. Well, no, because these are family cars.
yeah, we'll check my car. My car's probably the
It was probably like a 7.5.
the good sister, the evil sister, the cute sister, the sexy sister. What are you talking about?
Well, now there was two. So there was one that was. This one seems to be narrow early model, and then there's another one which is a late model, which is wider.
So you're saying
Gibberish. It really doesn't mean anything.
doesn't matter?
I'm
Like-
just giving you content for your wicked blog. Subscribe, like.
vlog, not blog, vlog, the video. I can't write.
Like, subscribe, notifications on. What else do the YouTubers say?
That's it. You're done. You're fired. Get off my show.
Alright,
So we know that it's from a Chevelle. Not that it matters, but we know it's from a Chevelle.
well, when you're shopping for parts, it's nice to know when they
Yeah, I suppose. You gotta order stuff. I mean, it's got a spool in it and stuff, so it's probably gonna be good for a long time, I would assume.
Yeah.
Or if we change the gearing, maybe that could be a. We're gonna have to see how it runs, I guess. Like, was it an 8 mile car, or was it, you know,
That's the
whole thing? So yeah.
Oh, sorry.
What?
I didn't realize you were filming. I thought you were just talking and I didn't realize the camera's on.
Really?
I tried at least a little harder. Now you get to see how
Talking
I
yourself
treat 'em.
again.
I ignore them, I just do my own thing.
Yeah, it's okay. We get along still sometimes. He brings me coffee once in a while, so. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's totally a lot of stuff to do. There's a lot of testing, a lot of figuring out stuff. We don't really know what's in this or what we need yet, but it's good. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be tons of content, so you guys can follow along. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button right now and hit that little bell thing so you know when we're uploading, because winter's kind of tough, so it can bounce around a lot. Hit that little bell thing so you know exactly what's up.
I already told him.
You told him that?
I told him that just before, remember? I don't know
Yeah,
if you're
but-
gonna edit it and make me look like an asshole now, because like, subscribe, notifications on. What else do the YouTubers say? You're gonna put it after, but yeah, okay.
I get it. I put it in order for you. What do those YouTubers say?
Well, they say it every single video, every time. So yeah, that's good. We're gonna start a new thing, 2-3 times a video.
Yeah, in the middle, that's the beginning. Yo, what's up? Before you even watch, just... Actually, some people do that.
I like.
Does it work? I don't know.
I just lowered it a bit. I'm like, okay, why is the car not on top of me? I see the new jack stands here, they're loose. Tim, where are you?
Magic, bro.
No, that's not even close.
But if we just let the car down, it's probably just gonna sit on the shock.
Yeah, give it a shot.
She's squatting. That is dangerous, Brent. Yay, she's back on the ground. Whoa. The other tire looks like it's launching. It's got like serious wrinkle in it.
Yeah. Can you pump that jack one time?
Pump it jack one time.
Right. And I need a...
Pump it to jack 2 times.
You have a hammer?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Really?
Yeah.
What kind of hammer? Oh, I got a big ass one. You want a big ass one?
Yeah.
It's the closest one I got.
You're not gonna say that.
Grab my big ass hammer.
Bigger the better.
Okay. Especially when it comes to hammers. Attempting to put that bolt in?
I'm not attempting.
Oh, you're doing it.
Succeeding.
Success.
Everything that I do.
My name is Success.
Not give up until it's done, according to the law.
Ellis.
So the time for me to get all emotional now and tell a sob story.
No,
Try to win your hearts over so I can get subscribes and likes and Tim can make some money off these videos instead of just...
Hey, don't need to sound. Holy shit, you did get the bolt. Yeah. Oh, right on.
Of course.
Look at that. You got the bolt. Just zooming in, it gets all blurry, but whatever. Alright, we're good. You see the wrinkle on the back? Check it out. Oh!
Lift the front end up and you take a picture.
Yeah. Well, you want to sit in it? We'll jack it up. We could Photoshop some smoke in there and like a crowd in the background. I don't know. I didn't know. So now that we figured out the rear end of the car, let's checking out the front end, seeing what's up with that. We got a little new stuff, something shaky. That's horrible. Like that.
That's pretty alright.
It's just these 2 little bolt things that kind of keep it.
Is that how you stay in the groove? You just float down the trail?
Yeah. It knows its way home. Don't have a lot of light here, but does the wheel turn? Because that wheel was like locked up on the trailer. It was hard to. Oh, okay. Because when we took it off the trailer, it slid.
Yeah, this part, that's...
But yeah. Whoop. That's bolts.
Tight.
Is there just wheel? Is there a brand on those wheels?
Like so.
Yeah.
So this one's gonna come off easy.
Watch paint. Fucking waxed this thing last night, bro.
I thought of that too. Like we're just sitting here waxing the gun. They're horrible, but the ones we need.
Oh,
It's light though.
yeah. And they look good. And we got fresh tires for them, so.
The rotors are good too.
Yeah. The other front end's got better.
Pads are good.
I think the other front end's got better setup than that. Can't see it.
Yeah, pads and rotors are good.
Cool, I got the light just in time for you to put it back together.
Awesome.
We're good, we're good. Douglas. Super wheelie! You got a wheelie high enough that you can't see where you're going. Alright guys, so that's a much better look at Malice. We named it Malice because this car is pure evil. It is gonna be a wicked machine. Hashtag Malice. That's the name of this car. That's what we're gonna post when we post it. So, if you guys like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button like we've said a whole bunch of times in this video.
Subscribe, like, notifications on. What else do the YouTubers say?
And we're gonna bring you more content on this car. We still got the 240 drift build going on. John Mark's working on his car over at Brent's. Somebody's in her PJs. So that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Stick around. Peace out. Stay happy.